thanks for coming back and checking out another video. We got another parcel again in the post today, and this has been sent to me by a guy called Liam, and he's a YouTube user. He's got an account and goes by the name of MicroRCFiend. That's MicroRCFiend, and I'll put a link to his link to his channel in the description. But he hasn't got any lock picking videos, so it's all remote control stuff, you know, remote control helicopters and drones and stuff like that. So it's something that I don't know nothing about, but I did mention about putting a link there, and he said, well, I'll make it clear that it's not a picking channel, it is a remote control channel. So if you're interested in anything radio control, not remote, radio controlled, then check him out, because he's got over 3,000 subscribers and he's getting loads of views on his videos. So in that kind of area, he must be pretty popular and he must know his stuff. So, but anyway, I sent him a few locks, and he kindly sent me some in return this week, and they arrived today. And I've split the parcel. I haven't had a look in there yet, but he said he was going to send me some bits. That really well. Yeah, he's packed that beautifully. Oh shit. So this looks like a challenge lock number 5. There's no key for it by the looks of it, unless it's in this packet. That's a really nice look. He's done some that's lovely engraving on the side, I must admit. Really tidy. And be interesting to pick that one. So I'm not sure if all these are challenge locks. It looks like it might be. Oh, another number 1. And I'm not sure if you can see that. It's that is a shiny lock. But that's his number 1. That's a no-name Euro. And yeah, I've done a few number 1s. Hampers Gustafsons. Who else? Was it John's? Maybe John. UK, is it UK Lockpicker 69 or Lockpicker 69? I think I've done his first challenge lock. I've done a couple, I'm sure, but it's always nice to get a first one. And it looks like he sent me number 2, number 3, nice ERA there, number 4, and number 5. Oh yeah, I really do appreciate that. Some lovely challenge locks. I'm going to keep all these together, and then I will check with you, but if you don't mind, then I'll distribute those out with parcels that I send out. I'll maybe send 1 or 2 to the States, a couple over the UK, 1 in Europe maybe, and send them all out. Or I could keep them as one set. That's entirely up to you, Liam. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Alright, thanks for watching. And I suppose I've got about 10 minutes, I guess. Let's get this out of the way. Let's have a go with this number 1 while I'm here. I've got about 15 minutes. Oh, can't even see that now. Get the camera back in position. And I'm straight to me boy Bilbo and me John Egerton picks. And see how we go. think the heavy pry bar might be, yeah, a bit too much. A little bit of slop on the core. Probably some big spools in there, we'll have to see. Bit of movement there. It's giving some lovely feedback. Hey, there we go. Got that one open, that weren't too bad. And I've even got a bit of time to gut it, so let's get the camera back round. There's no key, so I don't want to lock it back up again. I just hate this bit of the gutting process. So you can see that everything needed to be picked. And I can see that some of them are, is it counter milling or counter sunk? There's some lovely looking pins in there. So you can see there we've got some countersinking and some what's these tweezers? Yeah, it's like countersunk in 1, 4 and 6. Done a lovely job. Really, really nice. And those pins, alright, let's see what we got up top. So we've got standard in 1. Can't get the spring out. Okay, I'll come back to that spring. I don't want to pull too hard on it. No, I'm not going to pull on it because then it'll fucking overextend it and then lose its. I don't know how he's done that, but there's milling or count. Well, I've got some lovely work in here. I'm not going to bother with taking the springs out, but they do look all standard ones, brass ones. Brass. Is it copper? I can't remember. But there's been a bit of work done in there, which means that they're not coming out too easy. They're not just flopping out. And I'm not sure. No, that's it. There's been some work done in there, but you're not really going to get to see it very well. Let's see. Can you see that? There we go. For a first challenge lock, there's a lot of work gone into that. A lot of effort. And then let's check these pins out. And as usual, I will take some more detailed detailed pictures. But look at that, got some beautiful work on those pins. This camera's pretty shit. You can see there's lots of work gone into these. And I really do appreciate that, Liam, for sending this out for me to have a first crack at. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget, if you're into anything radio controlled, then check out Liam's channel. That's MicroRCFiend. And thanks for watching.